First watch this. This is original video.
My biggest weaknesses is asking for help when I need it. I'd like to do better at that.
And this is after lip sync.
Hey Claire, hope you are doing well. I wanted to wish you happy birthday, and sorry, not being truthful from the start, but hope you are doing well.
As you can see from the results I showed at the beginning, the lip sync is quite accurate and the final video looks very natural. Now let's take a look at the interface and go through the important options, so you can understand how everything works. This is a modified version of Wav2Lip, with additional features such as face enhancers, occlusion handling, and frame enhancement to improve the final output. And one of the best things about this version is that it doesn't require a huge amount of VRAM. It can even run on a relatively simple CPU-based system, and the whole setup can be used in a portable format. In this video, I'll show you how to download it, set everything up, configure the different options, and finally use it to create your own lip-synced videos. So let's get started. Click on portable link in my description. This will take you to my Buy Me Coffee link. You can get it from there in portable form and download the 4 GB zip file from link. Also check out my other tools all in portable form. No matter face swap, voice calling, you will find everything. Once you download zip file, extract it with 7-zip extractor only. Go inside extracted folder there. You will see Run NVIDIA Portable and CPU. Double-click on one depending on your system. When you see local URL, copy and paste in any browser to launch Wav2Lip. To use upload picture or video.
My biggest weaknesses is asking for help when I need it.
Upload voice file.
Hey Claire, hope you are doing well.
Choose quality enhancer. You can blend enhancer how much you want to apply. Frame enhancer after done. Click process. You will see a window. Select as much screen you want and hit enter. Now choose face area and hit enter.
Hey Claire, hope you are doing well. I wanted to wish you happy birthday, and sorry, not being truthful from the start, but hope you are doing well.
And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.